The DJI Mini 4 Pro has been a fan favorite, but with its second anniversary approaching, all eyes are on what's next. Rumors are heating up, and leaks suggest the Mini 5 Pro could arrive as soon as October 2025, bringing some exciting upgrades. We're talking larger obstacle avoidance sensors, a powerful 1-inch camera sensor, and improved motors, all while keeping that ultra-lightweight design under 249 grams. While nothing is set in stone just yet, the leaks are getting harder to ignore. So, what can we expect from DJI's next-gen mini drone? Let's dive into everything we know so far. DJI has a well-established pattern of refreshing its drone lineup every couple of years. And with the Mini 4 Pro nearing its second anniversary, speculation about its successor is gaining momentum. While early reports hinted at a mid-2025 release, recent insights, particularly from Jasper Ellens, suggest a later timeline, pushing the expected launch to October 2025. That timing would align perfectly with DJI's usual upgrade cycles, especially if the rumored Air 4 drops earlier in the year. But here's where things get even more interesting. DJI might not be unveiling the Mini 5 Pro on its own. Whispers of a mysterious Neo 2 drone suggest that a dual launch could be in the works. What exactly is the Neo 2? That remains unclear, but it hints at a broader strategy from DJI, possibly targeting different segments of the drone market. As for the Mini 5 Pro itself, the rumored upgrades suggest a major leap forward. DJI appears committed to keeping it under the crucial 249 grams weight limit, but that doesn't mean compromises. One of the most exciting potential features is the addition of LiDAR sensors, technology typically reserved for DJI's higher-end drones like the Air 3S. If true, this could revolutionize obstacle detection, offering an unprecedented level of flight safety and precision for a drone of this size. A newly leaked image from Weibo hints at a fresh design for DJI's next mini drone, showcasing vented motors, likely for better cooling and efficiency. This could mean improved performance, longer motor life, and potentially more stable flight. But here's the real challenge. DJI still needs to keep the Mini 5 Pro under 249 grams. If they're upgrading the motors, where's the extra weight coming from? One of the biggest rumored upgrades is a jump to a 1-inch camera sensor. The Mini 4 Pro already delivers impressive image quality, but a larger sensor would significantly enhance low-light performance and dynamic range, making the Mini 5 Pro a serious contender for aerial photography at this size. Battery life could also see a major improvement. Some leaks suggest the Mini 5 Pro might push flight time to around 40 minutes per charge, a solid boost that would be a game changer for extended shooting sessions. Additionally, DJI is rumored to be enhancing its subject tracking technology with AI-driven improvements, making it even better at locking onto fast-moving subjects. Whether you're capturing action shots, sports footage, or high-speed tracking, this could take intelligent flight capabilities to the next level. And then there's the wild card, 5G connectivity. If true, this could mean faster, more stable video transmission, smoother live streaming, and even better real-time connection between the drone and controller. While DJI hasn't confirmed anything yet, this upgrade could be a big step forward for remote flying and high-quality live feeds. So, should you hold off on buying a drone and wait for the Mini 5 Pro? It depends. The Mini 4 Pro is still an outstanding choice, but if these rumors prove accurate, the Mini 5 Pro could be a significant upgrade. With the leaks heating up, we'll likely hear more in the coming months. Which feature excites you the most? Let us know in the comments.